Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia, and I wanted to just do a quick video today, and I want to talk about two things. First of all, the giveaway. So we did our 900 subscriber giveaway, and thanks to the wonderful people from the Facebook group I think it's Foxy Creatives, Tracy Fox's group. She surprised me with a really big blessing. I guess I could say that's how I feel about it. And so it's taken me 3 years on YouTube to reach 1,000 subscribers, which I'm at 983. And thanks to Tracy, we are almost growing 100 subscribers in 1 week. So I have to just take my hat off, with a lack of better words, and just thank Tracy and all of the lovely creative souls in her group, and just let you know how much I greatly appreciate you all. And the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of subscribers before I reached 900, thank you so much for being a part of my creative community here. And I just love everything that I'm doing. I love to teach people. And so one of the things that I love teaching is the slow stitching and quilting and fabric art. So this is a slow stitch book, and you can purchase this in my Etsy shop. And the whole idea behind this book is to practice your embroidery stitches. So it's a soft book so that you can stitch on the pages. And the kit, everything you see right here, all of the pages, and I can make it in different colors. So it's felt and batting and flannel fabric, and then vintage fabrics that coordinate with those pages. So this was all a pink theme. And what I did on the inside of this one is I started just layering. This is my seam spine piece, so it's not attached yet. And then I stick the fabric to the batting here. So I just wanted to show you, this is one of the projects that you can learn here from me on my channel. So we are going to stitch the pages of this book together. I've already constructed it, and there's a video showing you how to do that. It's really, really easy to do. And I'm all about quick and easy, and hand stitching the spine with paper is very difficult for me. But I usually use the sewing machine. I can't do it by hand because I don't have enough of the strength. Anyway, arthritis in the fingers, all that kind of good stuff. But that's one of the projects that I am to teach you here on my channel. I teach you how to do junk journaling in a variety of different ways, no sew fashion, using a binder, using a cardboard box, using fabric. So I cover the whole spectrum of the different ways to make a junk journal. And then quilting, I show you how to do some quick, easy little placemats, how to do your self-binding, such real easy, how to miter the corners so that they're perfectly triangular. So all the little tips and tricks that I have learned, because we all learn in different ways. And for me, I have a mild dyslexia and mild, adult ADHD or whatever they call it. But, and then to just, the dyslexia part of it is like, your patterns and things like that, you kind of get them switched around in your mind, and then you finally have to look at it and study it, and then it's like, okay. Then everything switches and you can see it properly. So that was the first thing I wanted to cover. The second thing is, because now I did announce on my community tab, so if you are a subscriber, you will see my community tab posts, and I announced the winners there. We had 5, I believe. So everybody has been emailed their prize, which was a store credit in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. Now for the next giveaway is going to be for 1,000 subscribers. So we're sitting at 983 subscribers in this community. So I'm asking you, all of you who are watching this, to please share this video to your social media, to your friends. Text it to them. Just copy the link and text it to them and say, please, if they're a creative person, you know, you'll find only family friendly, no obscene language, nothing like that here on my channel. Everything is neutral, so I don't get involved in any kind of things going on. I just want it to be focused solely on what the channel is about. And so if you could share this video and help me to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark in this beautiful creative community that we're working on here. My community is all about unlocking your creativity and help you to express your modern lifestyle. And I do make handmade gifts. I do talk about that here on my channel. That's how you can help support me to bring you free videos, to bring you free training. So I appreciate your help by making a purchase in my Etsy shop and joining my mailing list. You get a 25% off coupon code that you can use. And speaking of Etsy, now, speaking of small businesses, there's a reason why I'm talking about this. You may have heard about this Silicon Valley Bank collapse. That's all I've heard from my husband for days and days and days, because I don't listen to the news. I don't watch the news. I don't want to know anything. So he's the one who keeps me updated and informed. Well, Etsy sent out an email to all the sellers, which I am one of those, advising us to inform our customers. So this is the best way that I know of, because I don't have everybody's email address who watches me. So to announce it this way: if you're going to make a purchase, do it from my website, which is through Etsy, but it's my direct website. It doesn't fall under the big main heading of Etsy.com. So it's www.marketsofsunshine.store, and it will be in the description where all the good stuff is below. And my VIP mailing list link is there, and that is www.sunShineMakersClub.com. You just join the mailing list, you get your 25% off coupon code that you can use for all of 2023 anytime. You cannot use it in conjunction with a sale. Etsy will only let one discount. Now, if the 25% is higher than the discount in my shop, yes, it will give you that. So that's what I'm asking you to do. So go to my marketsofsunshine.store link to make a purchase. If you forget and you go to Etsy, that's okay. The only thing that's happening is Etsy is saying that the money that we earn may be delayed because Etsy had their money going through, not all of it, some of it said, some of their money going through the Silicon Valley Bank. See, I thought I could just ignore it, but guess what? And so anyway, I just wanted to let you know that so that you're aware. So any of your Etsy favorites that you are shopping with, if they don't have their own website, you're not going to be affected, the customer. I am noticing transactions are taking longer to clear, but they do clear on the same day. So I don't know how far-reaching this affects other, our personal accounts and all that kind of thing. But apparently it's going to be a ripple effect across the board for, shoppers and sellers alike. So please be patient with the small businesses, with businesses you're shopping with, because this is impacting businesses greatly. And I never would have brought this up if I did not have learned about this and how important it was when Etsy asked us to let our customers know. I said, I have to let you guys know this is important. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. So please help me reach that goal. Like I said, we're only 17 beautiful creative souls away And I know we can do this, and it just takes a community. It just takes people caring and not worrying about competitiveness. And because you can subscribe to multiple channels and you can have your favorites that you love to watch. And I hope I will become a favorite of yours as well. But it's just about helping one another to grow. And so please come back and watch my other videos. Go through my library. I have over 400, almost 500 videos here on my channel of quite a wide variety. I'm not stuck in one category. I'm not all about junk journals. I'm not all about, slow stitching. I go across the board with what I know how to do. So I show you like some supplies that I like to use, the best pricing. I do a whole craft room makeover video. There's one on that of when I redid my craft room, which I absolutely love. You have to be organized. I have to be organized. I cannot function without organization. Now my craft desk can stay messy, but the rest of the room has to be where I know where it is. Like I've lost my rotary cutter, which is for my fabric, cutting my fabric. I had a small one, thank heavens I found that. Now, and I have a place for everything, but I don't know where I put it. But I'm like, okay, I will come across it, and when I do find it, I'll be like, that's where I put you. So I have refused to purchase another one until I can find it, because those last you a lifetime. They're not, you use them properly, they'll last you, and I don't want, and they're not cheap, so I said, So I'm thinking about it, whether I'll buy another one or not. So I am working on a new slow stitch project that I think you will absolutely love, but that's in another video. So this one is all about helping me reach the 1,000 subscribers and thanking you for joining my community. And I can't wait to give away some more store credits. And there's going to be an actual physical prize package that I'm going to mail. And I'm going to put in a variety of goodies that I've made here on my channel. So I'm not going to show you what they are, but it's going to be a big, nice assortment of all the different products that you've seen me make here on my channel and that I have shown you that I make and sell in my Etsy shop. That will be the grand prize. And then there will be probably 5 other secondary prizes going to everyone else who does the rules. Now the rules are: subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment on this video, that's all under that category, and share this video, that's rule number 2. Go to my Etsy shop and favorite it, and favorite all the items you like in the shop. Okay, and then 4, join my mailing list so that you can get your VIP code, and then I have your email address. So those are the 4 steps, the 4 rules. Very easy, same thing as I did for the last one. And then once we reach 1,000, so hopefully I'm very confident that it will be within March of this month. So with your help, I know that will happen. So please share this video everywhere you can, and let's do this together as a creative community. I love you all. I thank and appreciate you all greatly, and I show you that by what I do here on my channel and by all the goodies that I give you with being a VIP member on my mailing list. So thank you so much again, and stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video.